When it comes to affiliate marketing, choosing the right niche, a scalable, a profit, and an evergreen niche is the first step toward building your online empire. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a great niche, but also how to find some of the best affiliate program and how to choose a winning affiliate offer so you can build your own sustainable passive income. I'm Bruno Cimeiro. In this channel, I bring some tips and tricks on how to build, grow, and scale your online business. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss anything when I come up with new content like this. So let's jump into it. If you're watching this video right now, then you are probably doing some research online about affiliate marketing and some of the best affiliate marketing niches. Before choosing an offer or products to promote, you must first choose a niche. That's why the first step toward building your hugely online money-making machine is to find yourself a niche where there are a lot of quality products that you can promote, also where there's a lot of money to be made. And I'm going to share with you some of the best niches I know. And these are niches where success is almost guaranteed because there is so much money to be made. And you don't even have to be a big player in this niche to be making really good money. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 4 tips so you can pick a winning affiliate offer after you choose your niche. So make sure you stick around until the end. So the first one is weight loss. This is a huge niche that appeals to a very wide audience. Pretty much everyone is interested in losing weight at some point in their lives. See what I mean? People want to be in their best shape. So, for example, any offer or product that appeals to someone that is aged 35 plus, for example, can make good sales of weight loss product. According to market research, the weight loss market value reached a high of 78 billion in 2019, with an average of 72 research hours in USA alone a day. And if you are a personal trainer, dietitian, nutritionist, or a weight loss coach, you should try this one. The second is dog training. This is an unusual and fantastic niche because there are a lot of common dog behavior problems, and a misbehaving dog is a big problem. And you see what I'm talking about? They don't respect me when I'm talking. So these people are willing to spend money on a solution. People in this niche are passionate about their dogs and love learning about them. Matter of fact, they are gladly spending money on them. And the dog training service market value is expected to reach $186 million by 2025. And there is an average of 25 hourly research daily in USA alone. So if you are someone who is passionate about dog or a professional dog trainer, this is a good news for you. And the next one is self-help. This is usually called the health, wealth, and mindset niche. It is actually a cross-section of a lot of others niche. Basically anything to do with improving yourself, your relationship, or your situation in life. People in this niche tend to be addicted to self-help products. They don't see a problem in spending money on a multiple product because they are invested in themselves. Market research have predicted that the industry will be worth $13 billion by 2022. with an average of 63 hourly research daily in USA alone. So if you are a professional in this industry or understand a little bit about human anger, stress, anxiety management, and so on, as long as you can help people improve their lives, you should do fine. And hey, great opportunity for ongoing commission here. Now, make money online, internet marketing. Of all this niche, this one delivers the average dollar per subscribers due to the high price of products that you will promote and the passion pain experience by prospect. Many prospects will see this product as being good investment, so conversion can be relatively high. The global digital marketing software market size was valued at $43 billion in 2019. It is not unusual for a affiliate like you with a big subscriber list to earn tens of thousands of dollars from the launch of one high-ticket product. And my friends, this sort of launch happen very frequently in this niche. Spirituality and alternative beliefs. This one is closely related to the self-help niche with a big crossover in demography. Market reached a value of $44 billion in 2020. Subscribers in the niche love discovering more about themselves and their place in the universe. They particularly love getting free reports about themselves, which easily convert to paid products. There are of course a lot more niches out there, such as parenting, relationship, and so on, that are huge, so it is just a matter of doing some research and find the right one for you. Now, question of the day. So, which of these niches you think you can really do good with it? Let me know by leaving a quick comment below. Now, what makes this niche so great? First of all, they are evergreen, meaning they will never expire. People will always need to lose weight, people will always have problems with their dogs behaving badly, and people will always need a relationship, parent advice. This niche will still be popular in years to come, so you will have a long-lasting business. Also, they are proven profitable. In this niche, people are already making good money. If you are having a difficult time finding affiliate offer for your niche, stay away from that niche. And unless you are an experienced marketer, it is always recommended to look for a niche where people are already making a lot of sales. And you know what? There is always room for another person like you in the table, because these niches are massive and it's a lot less risky than looking for the next big thing. Once you choose your niche, the next step is finding an affiliate program. You begin looking for things you can promote. All the niches I mentioned before have a lot of great products, so this part should be easy. So how do you choose a winning affiliate offer? Keep in mind that not all affiliate offers are created equally. You may promote several products as an affiliate where you do everything right, still you see no results. In that case, you may want to change the affiliate offer. That's how important choosing the right one, a winning one, can be to your success. There are tens of thousands available affiliate offers, so choosing the right one may seem overwhelming. If you follow the first step that I'm about to show you, you'll have no problem finding the right offer. The first thing you need to do is to dig a little. Affiliate offers are everywhere. You can find lots of best ones inside affiliate networks such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and lots more. You also want to review their marketing. And if you want to know which affiliate offer attracts the most customers, pretend that you are their customer. Watch their view sales letter, read through their sales page. Is it compelling? Does it make you want to buy? If it does, they probably sell a lot of their products. They may be a good fit for you. 3. Subscribe to their email.